This one is for our fire element. And we're going to turn our shoulders in towards each other a little. So feeling of sunken chest and expanded back. This is one of the principles of Yang Cheng Fu, a Tai Chi master from the 19th century. So generally I feel like my dad told me pull shoulders back, but in our Qigong, we want to sink the chest. Why do we want to sink the chest? Because we're hoping for a even flow of qi across from lungs to heart to lungs and out to the tips of our fingers. This is the end of our heart meridian, runs down the inside line of our body. So we want this to be open. So just take a moment to feel your shoulders spreading apart a little and feeling of circular energy moving through the front of the body. Okay, we're going to turn our knuckles towards each other and then lift up, take a breath. As you get to the heart, curl the knuckles in. All the fingers and thumbs will meet, and then like a little opening explosion, take them out. Let the arms be heavy. Turn the palms down and sigh out. When the next breath comes, knuckles come together, lifting up, breathing in. And try and let your arms be really heavy and just listening to the body. Our fire element is about connection, joy, being in the moment, not needing things to be different. So you might just notice how present you feel. Maybe find a little space between each breath. Breathing out. And then just pausing, waiting for the next breath to come. When it does, we breathe in. And we pause and breathe out. So we're looking for this space in between each breath. One more time. Palms come back onto the body.